Hi guys, my name is Sylvia and Jackie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm filming today in my new office, which is not entirely complete, but I'm still working on it. There's still a few things that I need. Then once I'm done, I'm going to give you a tour. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install the Lightroom presets that I have now available to you on my website. These are the Lightroom presets that I've been using over the last few years. It takes a while to develop them and to get presets that work with your style, the presets that best reflect you and best reflect the place that you are, the environment that you are. And I use a variety of presets on my photos. And so many of you have been asking me, how do you edit your photos? How do you get the feel and the look and the vibe and the aesthetic value of your page? There's the different layers to this conversation. The camera that you're using or the phone camera that you're using, it's going to be about the location that you're shooting at. It's going to be just the quality of your picture. The reason why I wanted mobile presets first is because I love that I can edit on my phone on the go. I can just take pictures with my phone or my camera, and if I do take pictures on my camera, I can transfer them on my phone via Wi-Fi. I can just edit on the go, and when I'm traveling, it's just the easiest. Let's assume you have a good image, a high quality image, whether you shot it on camera, it's RAW or JPEG, or whether you have a picture on your phone. How do you edit it to get that really beautiful aesthetic value, to bring the best out of your picture? For you to edit your pictures, you're gonna need your phone, either Android or iOS. You need a Photos app that can unzip. I use an application called Unzip. I'm gonna show that to you later, that can unzip your files because we come in zip folders. You're gonna need the mobile version of the Lightroom app, which is free, and your favorite Lightroom presets. I have a few notes, so check them out. So I'm gonna get you straight into how we do this. And this is the same technique that you're gonna use on both Android and iOS phones. I'm currently using an iPhone, but trust me, any other phone can do the same technique, the same process you're gonna follow before you can have the presets ready to use. Once you get the presets that you like, it could be the package of the whole preset pack that I provide that has 5 mobile presets, or it could be one individual preset that you like. So once you receive your download links, you will click on the preset name and it will automatically start to download on your phone. Download, click on download, and then just wait for the preset to download on your phone. So once you've downloaded your presets, you will click on opening, and this is where your iZip application comes into play. You open on iZip Pro. This is the application that will help you download the presets, sort of like unzip them. So click on I'd like to unzip all files, and then you just click on the presets and then go to the first preset. Like this one is Sylvia and Jackie Raha, the first one. Click on it and then say open in at the bottom in Lightroom. Once you open the photo on Lightroom, you will now have to save your preset in your preset group. You click the top right corner, the 3 dots, and say create preset, and then you give it a group. In this case, we're going to create a new preset group and call it Raha Presets. And then this will be, the preset name is Raha1 under the preset group Raha Presets. So I've now just opened the second picture from the download link, and I will do the same process. The second time it's easier because you just have to say create preset. You already have your group Raha Presets, so just click on Raha Presets, and all you have to do is just, this time you just name it and say Raha2. So you already had created the group, so you just have to add it there. So I'm going to do that with all the other presets, and then I'll show you how to edit the photos. It looks like a very tedious process, but you're only going to do this once. So, I mean, it's worth the trouble for some beautiful pictures. So once you do this, then you have your presets saved in your Lightroom app. And now comes the fun part of you applying the edits that I have created on that particular picture to your picture, which will then give you the same look and feel and vibe in your picture. Make sure you always start with a really high quality image that's beautifully lit, but remember the presets is just a starting base. Once you apply the presets to your photo, then you have to tweak it to get to the look that you feel suits you best. So this is actually the fun part. This is my favorite part of editing. Maybe I can do this photo of my daughter. I just picked a photo at the bottom here. And then just add that photo to your Lightroom. This is how you apply your presets. You go to the bottom and look for this little circle that says presets. then you click on that, and then just click on your preset, and the colors will automatically apply on the photo. So I click on like the Raha preset, and now you can play around with all of them, see which one works for you. Sometimes it's click and go, and sometimes you just have to edit it a bit more just to tweak it to suit your style. For this one, I feel this is actually the preset that I use the most. I feel like it's a little bit too exposed, so I'm gonna go to the exposure, the light, just tone down the exposure. I feel like the green needs to be given a little bit more life, so I'll just work on the green a bit, and the luminance and the saturation of the green colors. This is a beautiful thing about Lightroom, you can be very color specific. I also feel like my red jacket isn't getting any justice, so I'm just gonna go to the red color mixer, just saturate it a bit, and yes, that's good to go. I like it, I really like it. I like how the colors look really nice, rich and contrasty, which is what you get with the Raha preset. So I decided to edit another picture. This is a picture that I took with my camera. Always start with a nice crisp sharp image, and then I will just as I said, just go down and find presets. Let's try a different pack. Let's try Pony. Let's go to Pony 1, and ooh, I like that. Actually, this is just gonna be like click and go. I actually like that. I don't think I need to change anything. So some presets you don't have to tweak them, others you have to tweak them. This one is one that I feel like I would leave it just as it is. And yeah, so just play around to make sure you get the kind of look and vibe that you want, and enjoy, have fun with it. You just have to make the effort to learn and play around with the presets. Remember, they just give you a base to edit your pictures in a beautiful and nice way, and I just hope that you're gonna have fun. I love doing this. I really had so much fun with this, and if you guys want me to do more videos on sort of like the creative process that brings me to my photos and the editing process and all that kind of information, let me know and I'm gonna do that. I love this kind of like tech stuff. Guys, thank you for watching my videos. Remember, you can check out my presets, see what works for you, get one of your favorite presets that suits the kind of person you are, or get all of them, guys. Just play around with all of them. I'd be happy to see, and if you like the preset that you have, tag me on the pictures. I'd love to see them. I'd love to see what you guys are doing with my presets. I'd love to see your creativity shine through, and all the best with this. Enjoy your photography journey. Enjoy creating beautiful images. Enjoy expressing yourself in photography, and I will see you on my next video.